The first thing we're doing is going to get this lobster butter sauce going. So we've got our stick of butter in here. We're going to use 3 teaspoons of this Old Bay garlic and herb seasoning. If you use regular Old Bay, you're going to have to add garlic to it. So that's why we're using the garlic and herb. This is a really easy recipe. There's only 3 ingredients besides the lobster. Just the butter, the Old Bay garlic and herb, and the lemon. We're going to use this half a lemon as well. I'm going to squeeze that in. Got my pit boss set at 250 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and get this set in here. We are using apple pellets today. I'm going to get this butter in there so I can go ahead and start melting. I've got 3 beautiful lobster tails. They're 3/4 of a pound each. So there's a couple ways that you can cut these guys. You can just literally cut them straight down the center, or you can do it like I'm going to do it, which I think looks a little prettier. So we'll see. Hopefully I can do this a little prettier here. Okay. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is open him up. And I'm going to do this with my fingers because it's just Jeff and I, so I don't think he cares. Just going to kind of go underneath. Loosen the membrane. And then we're going to pull this guy out, like so. So we're going to use this Lambert sweet rub of mine on these guys. We're not going to use a lot. Just a little bit, mainly just for color. Most of the seasoning is going to come from that Old Bay butter sauce that we're making. But we want to get a little bit on there so they look pretty. And if you don't have this Lambert's, it's not a problem. Just use a really sweet pork barbecue rub. I'm just going to get these lobsters on the pit boss. Let these guys go about 10 minutes and then we're going to check on them. It's been 10 minutes. I've got some parsley. I'm going to put it in my butter. I didn't want to put it in earlier because I didn't want it to get brown, so we're going to go ahead and get it in now. A couple tablespoons. I said teaspoons, I meant tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. And then we're going to get it drizzled on these lobsters. All right, just drizzled on this guy. It's been 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to drizzle this up with some more of this Old Bay butter sauce. All right. We're going to go ahead and shut the lid and let it go a few minutes longer. It's been 30 minutes and these guys are up to 140 and we're going to go ahead and get them off. So this lobster cooked 30 minutes. We drizzled it with the butter 3 times. We're going to give it a try.
I get to do the cooking.
Jeff shows up to eat.
Cutting.
Yep.
All right. Get your fork there. I tell you what, they smell good.
They do smell good.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's probably too much for you. I need to use that piece. I'm going to give you the baby piece. I'll tell you one thing. They're very tender.
That's good.
All right. There, oops. There's yours.
Thank you.
Here's mine. With a little bit more mine. And a little bit of your extra butter sauce.
Cheers. Oh, wow. That's good. Wow.
I get the smoky right away.
Oh.
And then I get a little of that.
It's sweet.
You put some barbecue on it,
Yeah.
right? Barbecue rub?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And
That's from the barbecue rub.
yeah, the sweetness. Yeah.
Look at it.
It's
Look at the
super good.
beauty of that lobster.
It's super good.
There you go. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
That wasn't very nice. Here, give me another piece.
Hey. I think it's getting dark out here. You might need to wrap this video up.
Oh, yeah, it's getting dark. So this is super good. You should try it. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell.